Hey, are you a fashionable woman over 50 who's looking to stay on trend this spring, but you don't want to look trendy? Then look no further. Vogue and Glamour published their top trends for spring 2024, and I'm here to help us translate them into what's wearable for our age and our style. In this video, we're going to focus on great white dresses. So take a look at the inspiration photos. They're ethereal, they're flowy, and most of all, they're styled very simply. This is perfect for us. Now, our goal is not to duplicate or copy these looks or to go out and buy anything. Let me repeat that. Our goal is not to go out and buy anything. Instead, what we want to do is we want to shop our closet because at our age, we've accumulated and curated looks that suit our style. So, we're going to go to our closets and we're going to look for items that look like these. We want to be inspired by them, but we don't want to copy them. Now, if there's something that we think would look great on us and we think it looks fantastic, but it's not in our closet, it's at that point and only at that point that we're going to take out the purse and bust out the coin. So now I'm going to translate these looks and I'm going to take you along with me. So as we're doing this, I want you to think of what you have in your closet and how you can also translate these looks so that we can have fun with the trend of great white dresses. Here we go. Now, truth be told, I'm not a huge dress girly. And the reason why is I get more wear out of separate pieces because I can mix and match and it's a lot more versatile. Gives me more cost per wear out of my closet. Now, I do wear dresses and things like jumpsuits, but I find that pieces are just more manageable. So here you'll see I'm wearing a long, flowy maxi skirt. I've never worn this. I've had it since last summer. Not sure if it's my style, but you know what? I'm committed to making sure that I wear it this spring and this summer, especially now that I know that these are a trend. On the top is something that I've worn to death since last summer. And look at how good they look together. So this is the base. Okay, now for everything that goes on top, the huge orange tote. What a pop of color. I think it looks great. It looks fresh. It harkens back to the big straw bag in the inspo photo. And I'm going to put on my big, huge sunnies because why not? And on top of that, I think it brings this look together. My sandals are speaking to the tote. The leather looks like the orange, and it just looks very, very cohesive. This is a look that's perfect for a warm spring day. I'm keeping my accessories as far as jewelry very simple, just like in the inspo, but we can go as bold as we want. It all depends on your personal style. Altogether, I think this is chef's kiss. Now to take it up a notch, I'm going to put a blazer on. That navy with the white and the orange doesn't get much better than that. It's also great if it becomes a cool spring day. And you know, ladies, we need to be able to regulate at a moment's notice. So having this layer allows us to have it as an outfit, whether it's cool or warm. Next up, this look, I want to try out the big, huge black belt. She did it very well, and I think that this is a great look. Now, I have the blazer on, and I've changed out the accessories, the shoes, whatnot, to black. So the black blazer, the black sandals, and the huge oversized black bag. And this is very chic. So unlike the flirtiness of the prior outfit, this is more of a I'm going to brunch, I'm going to the country club. I think that this is a nice look. So both of them, I think, are suitable. So when you're recreating these looks and you're looking at the inspiration photo and making it your own, you want to have a silhouette where it suits you and your build, but you want it to skim your curves. You want to keep that flowiness, that lightness, and that is what the trend is all about. So I'm going to amp it up and I'm going to wear this a couple other ways. So take a look at this. These are looks that I think speak to my urban boho chic nature. I am from the city and I tend to like to wear baseball hats and sneakers and the like. And this is another way of just wearing this outfit and giving it a different styling. And also wear it much as you would on vacation with the hat. I think the hat makes it look very resort wear. I think it's cool. I think it's effortless. And this is something that anyone can do. So I hope you've enjoyed these combinations and it's inspired you as to how you can do a great white dress or a great white top and bottom. Regardless of how you style it, make sure that it's personal to you and that you have fun. So this trend, I think, is a keeper. So follow me and look out for the next video for the next trend. We're going to get through these quickly because spring is springing and time is moving quickly, and we want to be able to wear these looks while we still can. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.